Welcome to this video on the impact of collaboration on program success. After watching this video, you will be able to discuss how effective collaboration impacts program success. Describe the relationship between program flexibility attributes and collaboration. Summarize factors relating to collaboration success. Explain best practices which influence collaboration success. A program operates in many ways similar to a complex piece of precision machinery, which includes hundreds of parts that must all work together in unison for the machine to function. You can think of collaboration as the oil that allows the machine to operate smoothly. Collaboration will help you deal with strategic changes that occur in the organization and respond to changing markets. Collaboration helps ensure that the program remains aligned with the strategic initiatives and that the program components stay in sync with each other. The Project Management Institute, PMI, notes 4 critical attributes needed for flexibly responding to a dynamic program environment. These attributes include leadership, management, adaptability, and resiliency. Let's examine each of these and their relationship to collaboration. Strong leadership sets the program vision and direction. Strong leadership aligns the organization to the strategic goals and accomplishment of the program. This leads to improved performance and organizational success. Good leadership motivates, guides, and fosters a collaborative organizational culture. Effective management streamlines organizational processes and systems to support efficiency with respect to its strategic initiatives. Good management practices provide an environment which encourages collaboration so the program stays within scope, time, and budget constraints. Adaptable programs respond swiftly to market changes, technological advancements, and other external factors while remaining relevant. With effective collaboration, your program can more readily pivot and adjust plans based on lessons learned and evolving circumstances while maintaining strategic focus. Resiliency helps the organization withstand and recover from disruptions, ensuring long-term sustainability and strategic continuity. A resilient program can absorb shocks and continue to deliver value in the face of unforeseen challenges, enhancing overall organizational performance. In a collaborative environment, your team has a greater likelihood of bouncing back from setbacks because they can work with each other to develop innovative solutions. A number of factors influence the success of collaboration efforts. Understanding and managing these factors can make the difference between a program's success or failure. These factors include engagement, alignment, complexity, transparency, consultation, culture, and empathy. Let's discuss each of these factors and related do's and don'ts. Engagement ensures the active, committed program involvement of all stakeholders. Engagement fosters a sense of ownership and accountability. Do regularly communicate with stakeholders to keep them informed and involved. Encourage feedback and participation in decision-making processes. Regular check-ins with stakeholders establish trust and accountability. Don't ignore their concerns or feedback. By listening to your stakeholders, they feel appreciated and valued, which in turn motivates them to stay engaged in the program. Program activity alignment with its stated objectives leads to coherent and focused efforts. By clearly communicating these objectives, you can eliminate ambiguity and limit frustrations. To keep the program aligned, you should regularly review program activities and adjust when necessary. Don't let program activities drift from the objectives because that leads to scope creep. Managing complexity involves understanding and addressing interdependencies. This promotes problem-solving and risk management with your stakeholders. Break down complex tasks into manageable components. Use tools and techniques to map and manage interdependencies. Don't overlook the interconnectedness of program elements. In addition, don't underestimate the resources needed to manage complexity. Transparency builds trust. Transparent programs provide stakeholders with accurate and timely information, which facilitates better decision-making. Do share relevant information openly and promptly. Establish clear communication channels for reporting progress and issues. Don't hide or withhold critical information from stakeholders, even when it is negative. Avoid barriers to program data access. Consultation involves seeking input and advice, which provides diverse perspectives and enhances decision quality. Do actively seek input from a wide range of stakeholders using multiple methods such as surveys, focus groups, and one-on-one conversations. Don't make unilateral decisions without stakeholder input or disregard their expertise. Consulting with your stakeholders demonstrates that you value their opinions and increases motivation. Organizational culture is a primary influence on the effectiveness of the collaborative process. A culture of collaboration promotes mutual respect. Recognize and celebrate achievements. Using team charters can help you define stakeholder norms and ground rules that will encourage collaboration. Don't tolerate toxic behaviors or an unsupportive environment. Empathy helps to understand the needs and concerns of stakeholders. Empathy leads to stronger relationships and effective collaboration. Do take time to develop professional relationships and interact with your team. Genuine concern supports trust and keeps program stakeholders motivated. Don't dismiss or trivialize concerns. Failing to consider the impacts of decisions on stakeholders will discourage collaboration. In this video, you learned that effective collaboration helps ensure alignment with strategic initiatives and keeps program components in sync with each other. Attributes affecting program flexibility include leadership, management, adaptability, and resiliency. Factors relating to collaboration success include engagement, alignment, managing complexity, transparency, consultation, culture, and empathy. Best practices influencing successful collaboration include encouraging and responding to feedback, reviewing and adjusting program activities to avoid scope creep, breaking down complex tasks into manageable components, always providing critical information even when it is negative, recognizing achievements, showing genuine concern,